Molten steel at 1500 C is even hotter than volcanic lava, yet it can be transformed into steel billets in just a few dozen minutes. In the next 60 seconds, let's uncover the magic of the continuous casting machine. Refined molten steel is first poured into a ladle and transported to the continuous casting platform. The ladle turret rotates the ladle into the casting position, allowing the molten steel to flow steadily into the tundish, whose inner lining is protected by refractory materials. Once the tundish is filled, a layer of insulating powder is added to the steel surface to prevent premature cooling and solidification. Now comes the critical stage. Molten steel flows through 3 submerged entry nozzles at the bottom of the tundish and enters the mold. Under the action of circulating cooling water, the outer shell of the steel solidifies instantly, forming a protective steel armor around the strand. The newly formed strand is then withdrawn from the mold by the withdrawal and straightening machine and travels along a curved path. As it enters the secondary cooling zone, hundreds of spray nozzles apply high-pressure water mist, gradually cooling and fully solidifying the molten steel inside. Finally, the cooled and straightened strand is cut to the required length by a flame-cutting machine and transported by roller tables to the discharge area. From red-hot molten steel to perfectly shaped steel billets, this is the industrial marvel made possible by modern continuous casting technology.